Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome to MeatCranium Barbecue and Review. Today I'm gonna be doing 3 slabs of some St. Louis ribs on the brand new Superior grill, a 22-inch. Anyhow, I got a few more modifications I've done to it. I've taken some viewers' recommendations on how to fix that ash pan and how to close up those holes. And I've also had to switch a couple things around. I'll get into that later on in the video. But for right now, I'm gonna get the camera turned around and ribs prepped up. Alright, y'all, so for a binder, the only thing I'm going to be using is going to be water. I've seen other people do just water. I'm going to try water. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing 2 layers. Got some, it's incredible. I haven't made products, and I'm going to top it out with their Texas Best rib rub. Take the membrane off. Everybody always uses a butter knife. I hate using the butter knife. This is so much easier, just a spoon. Okay, so you're going to take the back of the spoon like this right here. And right here, you're going to go up underneath the rib. Go right to where the rib is, you're going to go up underneath. Yeah, I can't stand using a freaking a butter knife for this. I'm gonna get this one done, then I'm gonna go ahead and get them seasoned up. Okie doke, I'm gonna go across here, gonna cut off whatever little bit of fat and stuff that might be on here that don't really need. Like that right there. Alright, so now I'm going to get it put into the tray, put it in the fridge, and then tomorrow morning I'll take these out. So I'm going to let them sit with that rub in the fridge for probably about 12 to 15 hours. As far as this being done, I'll see y'all in the morning. So I had somebody bring this up to my attention. This is what I cut the template out for the grill stone, and it happens to be the top of the box of the Expert Grill Superior 22-inch grill. But read this: this end up, store in a cool, dry place. This is a grill, y'all. Why do you need to store it in a cool, dry place? Thanks to the person that left a comment. Bring this to my attention. This is so funny. Oh, Lord have mercy. Alright, so I'm filling these gaps right here with a foil so that it redirects the smoke the way it goes. So now when I put the lid on, I can put the temp gauge, or actually I put the vent over on this side and get a little bit better temps. Put the grate on, take a piece of foil, clean the grate. There we go. Piece of foil I'm cleaning it with. Lid on. What's going on, y'all? Well, today's the next morning. Give some thanks to the people that gave some suggestions. And the live I had, whenever I showed you that there was still that hole whenever you close the dampers all the way on that ash catcher, that there was still a hole. So air was still getting through. So I want to thank all the people that actually gave a suggestion. Mostly everybody suggested using the foil tape. Then there's one I'm actually going to be going with. But actually, I'm going to be going with both foil tape and the other thing. But hold on, check this out. So first one's going to be Kevin Youngblood. Thanks for the suggestion of the foil tape. Enter username. Enter username here. Also made a suggestion on how to correct it. Victor Bitter and Joe's Barbecue House, those guys also put a suggestion in to use the aluminum tape. And the one I'm going to be going with, and I have plenty of these things, is the suggestion came in from Chris Nickel at Hobo Nickel Barbecue. He suggested I use magnets. So you know what? I'm actually going to use both. I'm going to use the foil tape, and I'm also going to use the magnets. So Chris, I appreciate it, bro. Thank you. Right here, I have the ribs already out over here. Ribs are already out, ready to go. I'll be putting these into a rib rack today. Temperature is still kind of low. So wait for that temperature to try to come up. Right now, it's only around 120 degrees. So I've got the lid partially off. I've got all the dampers completely wide open, waiting for that temperature to come up. Waiting for it to get some more air inside there. Hopefully it does. So I'll be back whenever I go to put these ribs onto this Expert Grill 22-inch Superior Grill. Hold on, Superior Grill. All right, so the pit just hit 232 degrees. That's good temperature. Try to keep it between 225, 250. If it goes 275, hey, it gets done a little bit quicker. But I have a rib rack. I'm gonna put these on here on a rib rack because that lid is a lot higher. I got a lot more head space inside there, so I can use a rib rack with the Expert Grill. Spritz, could be using some Evan Williams Kentucky Bourbon. Use some soy sauce and some pineapple juice. That's it. I've got a funnel here to go into the spray bottle, and I'm probably going to use this. Actually, I'm not probably going to. I am going to be using this inside the foil or whatever I wrap it up with. I'm going to go with 2 cups. All right, that's 2 cups of pineapple juice, low sodium soy sauce. Going to go with about half a cup on that. Actually, I'm gonna put a little more pineapple juice. So we'll say 2.5 cups. I'm gonna do about a 1/4 cup of some whiskey. There we go. That is the ticket. Shake it up. There we go. Got our spritz. A lot has happened. First off, the temp right now is at 226. It's been almost an hour. It took an hour for it to get to the 220s. I removed this completely from the bottom. It's just an open hole in the bottom, and I have the top vent cracked about halfway. I'm not getting good temperatures right now. I don't know if it's because how the grill stone is or what's going on, or I have the temp probe in the wrong spot. But I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna spritz these ribs now. I'm gonna lift the lid off. Well, they look pretty good. They're so good, these little bits. Then the foil I put around the grill stone to try to direct the heat towards one area. I pulled those back too to get more of it trapped inside there. So I might pull those back a little bit later on, but I was just able to stick this in the corner and just peel back the aluminum foil around to open it up, and I can just do the same thing to close it off if I need to. All right, so that's the 1 hour update. All right, so I put the ash catcher back on there. Now that the temperature seemed to be doing pretty good, I went ahead, I put that back on there, and I also wanted to update y'all on a few things. I had a viewer notice that I had put this on upside down. I just want to let you know that I flipped this the correct way. So now this is on the proper way. I had it flipped over upside down because I assembled it upside down. So this has been fixed. Then also somebody noticed that I put this on. I was 1 notch off. There's actually a little notch cut out and right here for the vent. And they thought that maybe since I didn't have this in the right notch that it wasn't closing very good. The notch only has to do with it being open. Look, let me show you. This notch is only here for it to open, but when you close, you still have smoke that comes out of there. So that little notch, I mean, I appreciate you letting me know about the notch being there, but it actually has no bearing on nothing, only having the damper open about 1/16 of an inch more. So, all right, want to update y'all on that everything is now completely properly assembled. Oh yeah, one more thing I did is the aluminum foil I had going around the grill stone. I took my hook right here, and I just went along and I just pushed it all back So I kind of have it back to the way I had it when I first started. Just wanted to let y'all know that. Yeah, so everything is back to the way it was when I first originally started doing this. It's looking pretty good so far. 257. I can deal with that. All right, y'all, so it's been another hour. Let's get these things spritzed. Already starting to show some promise here. Let's take this off. All right, so I'm at the 2.5 hour mark right now. I'm gonna go ahead, I think I'm gonna check these and possibly tenderness of it. Yeah, still got a way to go. That one does at least. That looks a little bit better. This one is really looking promising right here. All right, so this one's gonna be done first, probably the most tender. This here will be my wife's. She likes it like fall off the bone, and I'll make that one for her. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap that one now. Actually, I'll go ahead and I'll wrap all three of them. I'll just pull this one probably a lot sooner than I will any other one. It's a lot thinner rib. These here got a lot more meat on them. This would be my wife's. She'll like that one. The temperatures climbed to 412 degrees, and that's with everything shut off. So I went ahead, I shut the dampers off to try to lower the temperatures back down, and I am still averaging in the 370s right now. So I'll wait for those temperatures to come back down, but I'll probably be pulling these here very, very, very soon to unwrap them. All right, y'all, I've had those ribs on now for about a half hour. And right now the temperature is at 424 degrees. I have everything completely shut down. I don't know what's going on. Everything's completely shut and 424 degrees. That's not good. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna pull these, kind of hope for the best. Hope that they're not burnt. So it's been a half hour. I think that might be plenty to be inside those juices. And I'm gonna get some barbecue sauce on these things and keep my fingers crossed that I can avoid disaster. Yeah, 424 with flues, dampers completely closed off. That sucks. All right, y'all, it's been a half hour. Let's remove the lid. Everything seems to be pretty nice and tacked up. Looks really good. All right, I'm gonna get this lid off here. Even with the temperature, the lid on and all the flues closed, it's still averaging 360 degrees, which is just crazy. Go ahead, scrape this off. It seasoned up this grill stone really good. I like that. That's what you want to see with your grill stone. It's good. It's good for it. It's good for it to have that stuff baked in there. It makes that stone even harder than what it normally is. Here I go. All right, let's check out, see how many coals I used. All right, so that explains a lot. I think I know why I had such erratic temperatures. Looks like maybe some of the fire might have hopped, because if you look right here, the coals here are still kind of black. Look like they haven't been used that much. Looks like the fire might have jumped over one of the bricks and might have ignited the other side. That's why the temperatures were so stinking hot. There you go. Explanation right there. But there's still quite a bit of coals there. I could probably go, probably about 2 more hours, I'd say. Yeah, so there's the problem right there. All right, next is going to be the taste test and the cutting of the ribs. All right, so it's been about a half hour letting these things rest. It's time to get them onto the cutting board here. We're gonna do my wife's first. Those are gonna be probably fall off the bone. Probably the most tender ones I have. No barbecue sauce on there. All right, Oh yeah, there we go. Let's cut into these. These are gonna be probably extremely tender. 90% of the people in the world like a nice tender rib. Yeah, see this? Kind of fall off the bone. See right there, the bone's coming out right there? Right there, the bone's coming out. That's how my bride likes them, just like that. There we go. Let's try one of these right here. Well, I'm gonna try one of these. And now I got a real nice smoke ring in there. I guess my wife likes these.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's real good. Wow, holy crap. Okay, let's get on to the next set of ribs. All right, this rack right here is going to be the bourbon and maple syrup right here. Bourbon, maple syrup, barbecue sauce one right here. Here we go. All right, so I moved those over to the side. Now it's time for this set of ribs. Oh, these are definitely cutting good. That is the bourbon and maple syrup barbecue sauce rib. Look how meaty those are. Focus, there we go. I'm gonna try one of these now. This is more of like a traditional rib. I can't even see myself. The lighting's bad. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Perfect. I had a perfectly cooked rib. It's so good, just shy of 4 hours to do all this, which is ideal. That's what I like. Time to get the blueberry barbecue sauce ones.
The what?
Blueberry barbecue sauce. Okay, so now here's the blueberry barbecue sauce ones. There's the blueberry barbecue sauce ones. Here's a little bit thicker one right here. Nice smoke ring on there. Here we go. By the way, I don't squeeze my meat. Hold on, that didn't come out right. I don't squeeze to demonstrate how juicy it is inside. You should be able to see it without me having to squeeze the meat. So no, I don't squeeze my meat. Lord have mercy. That sounds wrong. Okay, here we go. That's good rib.
Where's the wise taste?
There you go, baby.
It's not too sweet. It's got just that little bit of hint.
A blueberry.
A blueberry. It makes it taste really good.
Yep.
I would never thought of blueberry on ribs though. It amazes me sometimes.
Anyhow, I'm gonna end it right here. My mouth was probably a mess. I'm not gonna notice until I edit the video. See if I can stuff all over my face. Anyhow, y'all. Appreciate y'all for joining me today. Like, subscribe. I'll see you next week. Ciao.